Orlando Pirates 3, Marumo Gallants 0. Referee blows the whistle and the game starts. 2 minutes inside the game, Siema makes a defensive mistake. Marumo ends up winning the ball. The player plays a through ball to Otladise, who finds himself one-on-one with Sipochain. But Chain makes a save and the ball hits the post. What a good save by Sipochain. 1 minute later, Apollos plays a through ball to Mufukeng. Mufukeng crosses the ball and Botuma scores. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Gallants 0. What an incredible run by Mufukeng. Nice first touch. Plays the ball in between the center backs. Betuma wins the ball and scores a goal. For the next 10 minutes, there's plenty of attacks by Orlando Pirates, forcing the Marumo Gallants goalkeeper to keep on making saves. That chance by Otladisa has woken them up. In the 28th minute, Dino von Rijn wins the ball in the Marumo half, who makes a pass to Tito. Tito takes a shot and it scores. Orlando Pirates 2, Marumo Gallants 0. Tito's shot took a deflection on a Marumo Gallants player, leaving the goalkeeper confused as it went in the back of the net. In the 37th minute, nice play between Tito and Apollos. Tito finds himself inside the box, but becomes indecisive and is unable to take a shot at goal. No communication between him and Betuma. Orlando Pirates end the first half on a high, with plenty of attacks. Since that first attempt by Marumo, they are nowhere to be seen in the first half. Referee blows the whistle, and it's half time. Marumo Gallants will need to make some substitution. They are currently following shadows with less than 35% of the ball. The Marumo Gallants goalkeeper has done a good job to make sure the score stays 2-0 at halftime. Another game where Orlando Pirates are not clinical. Right now the score must have been 4 or 5 with the amount of chances they've created. Referee blows the whistle and the second half starts. 10 minutes inside the second half, Ndaba plays a ball to Makgopa, who's inside the box. Makgopa takes a touch, tries to take a shot at goal, but the shot goes wide. 61 minutes inside the game, Apollos finds himself near the Marumo Gallants box, plays the ball to Rile, who plays it to Makgopa. Makgopa takes a shot, but the shot goes wide. 2 minutes later, Mufukeng plays a through ball to Makgopa, who's inside the box, but the through ball had a lot of power as Makgopa is unable to get it, and the Marumo Gallants goalkeeper makes a save. 67 minutes inside the game, Maremi crosses the ball inside the box to find Apodis, who takes a shot, but the shot goes wide. For the next 10 minutes, there's endless attacks by Orlando Pirates. 84 minutes inside the game, Mufukeng is approaching the box with the ball, gets inside the box, beats 3 Marumo Gallants defender, takes a shot, and scores. Orlando Pirates 3, Marumo Gallants 0. What a fantastic goal by Mufukeng. This is what we call individual brilliance. After all the missed opportunities, he took it upon himself to score a goal. Orlando Pirates ends the game on a high with more attacks, and Marumo does nothing but keeps on absorbing pressure. Referee blows the whistle and the game is over.